This Coldwell banker Deborah Gandy and Associates property video is presented by Deborah Gandy. Move-in ready with newly remodeled spa-like master bath with soaking tub, oversized tiled shower, double sinks and tiled floors. The joys of cooking and entertaining in this large kitchen with solid surface countertops, overabundance of cabinets, wood floors and stainless appliances. Split bedroom floor plan with plenty of privacy for the master bedroom. Fenced-in backyard, large covered back porch with open front porch too. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Gandy at 843-229-9736.